These clothes are actually holding me back because it's sort of an emotional baggage. किसी और दिन जरूरत पड़ गई तो realistically कभी जरूरत नहीं पड़ी है. Oh my god, what is this angle? इस मौसम में how do you get anything done is my question. It is currently 4:29 p.m. Does it look like it? Maybe not. मतलब, don't get me wrong. I love Bombay rain. I love rainy weather. I love the rains. The only problem is I can't step out. There's floods happening outside. And if I do, I don't know how to swim. So nobody's going to come and save me. I'd much rather stay in today. The downside to that is that I'm being forced to clean my cupboard today, which is something that I had mentioned in my first vlog कि मैं एक point पे करूँगी क्योंकि बहुत necessary है मेरा cupboard clean करना. Today I have no excuses because I literally have nothing else planned for today. अभी थोड़ी सी light आ रही होगी, but don't be mistaken, there is literally no sun. There has been no sun outside for the past week. रेनी वेदर रिमाइंड्स मी ऑफ होम कि घर पे बिना गिल्ट के लाइट्स ऑफ करके सो सकती हूँ. 4 बज रहे हो, सुबह के 7 बज रहे हो, फर्क नहीं पड़ता. व्हेन इट्स अ रेनी डे यू आर अलाउड टू स्लीप. बट हियर, वेलकम टू बॉम्बे, गॉट अ वर्क. व्हाट आई एम अबाउट टू डू इज नॉट वर्क, बट करना पड़ेगा. Oh, by the way, if you hadn't noticed, I'm wearing my glasses today because there is no way I'm wearing my lenses at home. That's not happening. It is so embarrassing to be showing this on camera, but oh wait, I have to show you another cupboard. Today we are fixing this because I have had these cupboards for about 4 years now, and it's high time that I get them renewed. I return these cupboards and purchase the exact same cupboards. It doesn't make sense to you, but it makes sense to me, so I'm going to do that. And the thing is, I have scheduled their pickup and drop off, which leaves me no choice but to actually sit down and clean my cupboard. So I'm going to make 3 piles. The first pile is going to be the ones that I'm keeping. Second pile is the giving away pile. Third pile is the one that I'm sending home. I know that Mama is watching this video and she's going to be like, और कितने कपड़े भेजोगे? Because I keep wearing the same clothes even when I'm back home. I am a hoarder. It's okay. That's a problem that can be fixed later. Need to stop talking and get work done. By the way, I have made some really bad decisions in the past where I've just emptied both of my closets together at once, and that has taken me about 2 weeks to sort out. So I don't repeat my mistakes, which is why I have decided to empty one cubicle at a time, fix that, and then move forward. So smart of me, na? Adi, you're so smart. Hello. किधर देख रहे हो भाई? I'm here. इधर. Yes. This is lot number 1. This is almost 15 years old. I just realized something. I'm still very bad at this. I have made a 4th pile now, which has become my 2nd pile, which is clothes I need to try on before deciding. I need help. I think sometimes with things like these, I just make things harder for myself. So now I'm going to try everything on and then see if I want to give it away or not. Let's go. This is one of those tops that I think at some point every girl had in her closet. I used to be really fond of these stripes, but now it's not giving. Might keep this one though. Jail mein kaidi kind of vibe. Let's go. I think I seriously overestimated my speed, and this is only my 2nd pile because I literally spent the last 1 hour trying all the clothes from that pile, and I ended up keeping most of them back in my cupboard. This is the pile that I'm giving away from that entire huge lot. This is what I have decided to give away. Actually, I'm pretty proud of myself because these are all the clothes that I haven't been able to part with in the past 3 years. This is from 8th class. This is from when I was 15. I am right now 23. Do the math. Oh, by the way, lot 1 was tops. Lot 2 is night suits. Surprisingly, night suit compartment wasn't actually that hard. You know why? Because I ended up keeping everything back in the cupboard. But on a very, very bright note, I am feeling very generous towards myself today. So, what I'm going to be doing, I am going back to reading my book. I have 3 days till my cupboards get picked up, which means that even if I do 2 compartments every day, I will still figure it out. Now that I'm done with 2 for today, I did expect this vlog to be a full-fledged cleaning, oh my god, I changed my life glow up kind of a vlog, but sometimes things don't go according to plan and that's okay. I'm still kind of glad I gave away the clothes that I'd been clutching onto for so long. Yeah, you win some, you lose some, and today is just one of those days. And it's okay. You know what? I have figured it out कि मुझसे काम क्यों नहीं हो रहा था आज. Look at the rain. It wasn't me, it was the weather. I'm not responsible. But I am responsible for making you like, share, and subscribe. I think subscribing to a nice YouTube channel is extremely important for the well being of a person, and it adds value to. You know what I'm excited about actually? Diwali. This is probably the first time that red alert was actually a red alert, not because the water levels are really high, but because the locals are getting cancelled. Welcome to Bombay. See you. Final. It's raining again. Wow, great. Should I check if urban company से लोग आके साफ कर सकते हैं मेरा cupboard? Adi, you're so smart.